Okay, so I'm gonna explain really quickly how to do collaboration in real time with Autodesk Collaborate Pro. Um, Basically, the first thing you need is the license. So having ACC doesn't mean that you have the Pro, Collaborate Pro uh, license already available. So you need to download the free trial that allows you to use it for 30 days. So you need to go to Autodesk and just look up for BIM Collaborate Pro for free and press download free trial. And then you will need to say that you are not an education professional, or you are not. You need to say that this is going to be used for your home use. So you are going to need to press home use. You are going to put your email. You're gonna press continue, and then you are gonna fill out all the information. The number is the one that is the most important one, because the license will be related with your number. So you will fill everything, and then you will download the license. When you have that license already available and you have already downloaded in your computer, uh, make sure that you are doing the 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 license with the same email that you will have your Revit license, so they will match. That is very important. And when you have your license of Collaborative Pro, you will go to the setup. I'm gonna explain with a video. Okay, for the setup of the Collaborative Pro feature in ACC, you first need to go to your project. You need to have already configured your docs. So you need to have different files. You just need one. This is the most important one. You just need one that says share or whatever name you want. Usually, share is the best name. I will explain why later. And then you need to go to the design collaboration option. You need to be sure that all the members of the group have the collaborative pro option already enabled. So that is made here when you are doing your project at home. Sorry. Projects. You will see here, for example, this project I was doing the example was, I think it was this one. Yes, it was this one. So if I go here to project administration, you will see the people that is inside the project have different ACC capabilities available. So you need to make sure that each one of the people from the team have design collaboration active. So when you have this already active, you can go here to design collaboration, and here you will select the files or the folder, sorry, that you're gonna use for the collaboration. So if you have this view, you need to click here to complete the configuration of the project, and you will need to select one folder for the collaboration of the team. So you need to, and when you select the folder, you will not be able to change it later. So you need to be careful. So here you select your folder, and here you see I have my folders from docs. So I'm gonna go down until have my share folder, select, then you're gonna go to next. Okay, and then you will need to create your teams. For example, here I have UH team, right? So I'm gonna put UH team. So I create UH team. If I have another, for example, if I have different teams in my project, I'm gonna be able to create different teams here. For example, a structural team, architectural team, electrical team, different teams from the different people that are developing the models. So when I finish this, I'm gonna press next. And you can go next here. And you are already set up. So you already generate this. And if you go back here to data management, that is docs, you will see that there is a new folder create here. This folder is where all your models are gonna be uploaded. And why do you select share? Because there's gonna be the way ACC works is that you have two spaces of collaboration. The first one is this one, that is the one where all the files that are in development are uploaded, and here is the file. Share is the location where all the files that are in a collaboration phase or a coordination phase are located. So this is made like this because you don't wanna share all your models to the coordination team if they are not completely finished. So you wanna share your models with the collaboration team or the coordination team when they have the requirements. So that's why you have these two different ways of managing your files. So you have this. Then you will need to go to Revit. Okay, so when Revit opens, you need to be sure that you are working with your same account that the one that is in your Collaboration Pro um, license. So why? Because you are gonna use this option, the Autodesk project, and here you will see all your files. But by this time you will have this empty. So you would first need to go to open, and you can open a Revit file that you will have in your computer. I'm gonna open one that I have here. For example, I'm gonna open this one. So I have opened this model, this Revit file. It's a small house, And now I am gonna link this model to my collaboration environment. So I'm gonna go here to collaborate and press here in collaborate. And here you will see if you have your license already activate, you will see here the option that says in the cloud. So you press in the cloud and you're gonna press OK. And here you are gonna select first the project you are gonna be working on. In this case, this one, project. You will see here your folders, and you're gonna go here to your UH team. And here you don't need to press this one, you just need to be here and press save. Okay, when it's ready, you just press close, and now you will see. If I go here to this option and I refresh the page, you will see the project here. So the project is already uploaded to the cloud, right? But how do you upload it continuously, this project here? Because you are gonna model here. So if you just press save, the project will not go to the cloud. It's gonna be saved in your computer. So there is this option available that's called synchronize and modify settings. That this is the option that you need to press to synchronize your project in the cloud. So you will press here, and you will see this option. You just press OK, and you are gonna upload again your project to your file, to the cloud. So if you go here now, and you go here to Autodesk projects, and you see you go to your project, in this case example, and you see here UH team, you will see now that this project have been updated at this time, right? That is the last time that I have update the project. But if you go here to the Chrome, to the ACC, you will see that this project is not necessarily the one that it have been updated in your project, because here there is an option that says update available. So now you need to publish this new version, pressing here publish latest or publish latest without links, and you will send this file to the cloud. Now, this is how you make your models to be in the cloud. But for you to be able to see your projects of all your model, the models of all the members of the team, you will need to go to here to manage links, and you are gonna link your different models from the project. You're gonna press here Revit, and because this project is working on the cloud, now you will see here not the file from your folders from your computer. You're gonna see your folders from the cloud. So you are gonna go here, and if you have another model, you will see this model here, and you are gonna just press that model and press open, and now you will have the model link with this project. As an example, I'm gonna open one of my projects. I'm gonna go here, here, here. I'm gonna open, for example, this project. Okay, you see here a project, right? But this project is not just one file; it are different files. Different files. For example, these elements are from one file, but these other elements are from another file. Where are the files? Here are in Revit links. So if I select this one, I can select all the elements that are inside that file. If I go to this one, I can select all the elements that are inside that file. So how do you do this? You, as I was saying, you go to manage links, and here you will see that I have already added these models, these Revit files to this model. So each time one of the team make a change and upload it, pressing this button that's called synchronize and modify, and the other members of the team will see the changes of the design, and they are gonna be able to see if the design that the other modeler is doing, it's affecting or not the model that the modeler is doing.